Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply American Express credit card without your social security number. First of all, type apply for American Express credit card on Google search engine. Click on the credit cards, compare and apply online. American Express website will open. You have to wait for a bit until you see this page. Click on apply now. So the application page will open. From here you have to give some of the personal information, then you have to submit your application on the step 2, and then on the step 3 you will get a decision if your card request has been accepted or declined. So what you have to do is, first of all, you can also select the card design selection. There are multiple platinum, classic and whatever. You can choose it. You have to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name. And then what you want your name on your card, you have to type in your first and last name once again. And this first name and last name is the name that you want to mention in the card. And after that, you have to enter your date of birth. You have to enter the month first and then date and then year. After that, you have to provide your email address on which the American Express will contact you. So you have to make sure to enter the correct email address, your phone number, your home street address, or everything about your home address or whatever, and then in the social security number section. If you want to apply without giving your social, or if you do not have any social security number, all you have to do is enter your ITIN or individual taxpayer identification number. So if you are a taxpayer, then you must have this number. All you have to do is enter your ITIN number over here, and American Express will accept that number as well. And after that, you have to enter or type your annual income, and you have to leave this non-taxable option because it is optional. And then you have to enter or type your income source, employed, retired, or whatever. I will choose employed and then click on continue to terms. And after that, you have to submit your application, and then you will get a decision without giving your social security number. So that's how you can apply American Express credit card without your SSN. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.